Hello everyone. In this video we're going to look at how to add a box constraint around the header widget. That way the text doesn't take the entire screen when the screen size increases. After that we're going to look at how to deploy this web application online using Surge and also how to run the application on iOS, Android and macOS. So to get started we'll go down to the build method and here we will wrap the header and the badges with a column. And then we'll wrap the column with a container and we'll give it constraints, box constraints, maximum width of 800. That way, when the screen size increases, you can see that everything remains within the maximum width of 800. Next thing, let's look at how to deploy this web application online using Surge. So we want to create a production build. So to do that, we'll run flutter build web. Once the build is complete, the code is available under the build folder, so we can go into it using this command cd build and then /web. Now once we're here, we can deploy it using Surge. If you don't have Surge installed, first of all you need Node.js, and then after that you can install it using the command npm install -- global surge, and then it's as simple as just typing Surge in the terminal. Surge is a tool that allows you to deploy static websites for free. So here we can just type Surge, and it asks you where is the code located, and by default it's the current directory. So I'll just type enter, and then here it gives you a random URL, but you can select your own. So I'll type this URL. If the URL is already in use, it won't allow you to do it, but if the URL doesn't exist, then everything should be fine. Once this is done, we will then be able to use this link to check our website. So since it's deployed, I can go to the link and it should be live. Now let's look at how to run this application on iOS, Android and macOS. So let's go back to the main directory. So I'll do cd .. This means we want to go back 2 directories. And then from here I can run the command flutter run -- release. This means that we're running a release version of the app. And this will give us multiple options. So first we have the Android emulator, then we have the iPhone, which is connected to the laptop, and then we can run a release version on macOS or Chrome. Now if you try running it on the Android emulator, for example, it will say release mode is not supported by the emulator. But if you have an actual device connected, it will work. So I already did this beforehand, just so we can save time. So let me show you what the app looks like on iOS. So here, if I click 2, the result that's gonna come is what you'll see right now. So this is the app running on iOS. And you can see we can visit the links. And then if you want to run it on macOS, you'll just do 3. And this is what it will look like. And again here, if you try to visit a link, it will actually open it in a new browser. And then I also ran the application on an Android emulator. However, this is not a release version, it's a debug build. And you can see how it looks like. So that brings us to the end of the project. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down in the comments below. Thank you very much.